Video sila. Lapit na po kami. 6 minutes. Sila mama. Video mo.
Hello!
Baliktad naman yun. Nasa iyo mo nakaharap yan ate.
Ano ba yan? Hello! Happy birthday, ate!
Hello! Happy birthday, Lexa! Ito na, spoiled face mask na sa baba.
Grabe ka naman kay tatay! Sa mata mo naman nilagay.
Nasaan? Boss, saan yung ano? Ayaw niyan. Packet ng parking. Ah, dito?
Natawa ko yung pin natin.
Papalit. Thank you, sir.
The time of your life.
Anak ko daw ako lang 6 years old.
Enjoy ka dito? Ha? Maganda dito? Yun. Malapit pala kami sa ano, dulo.
Bali, may isa po kayong extra bed, sir. Hindi pa lang po namin siniset up. Bali, yung pool natin, sir, hanggang 10 p.m. lang po. Yung restaurant po natin, hanggang 9:30 p.m. lang po. Then, yung free breakfast niyo po bukas, so start po siya ng 7 a.m. po until 10 a.m. Dito po. Oo. Tapos, sir, pag balak niyo po mamatira sa dagat, or balak niyo po maligo, kailangan niyo muna po mag-advise sa amin. Kailangan po kasi pagbababa may kasama po lifeguard. Hanggang 6 p.m. lang po siya.
6 p.m. Pero pag umaga.
Pagmaga.
6 a.m. po. Bali yung isang extra better advice nyo na lang po kami ha. Tapos mamaya ko na lang po kayo pagpipili ng flavor. Talaga ako na.
Ah. Tabi ka dyan.
Ano ba? Oo nga pa. Bawal po yan.
Pwede mo palitan yung mga ilaw. Kulay, di ba? So, siyan. Tapos may lavatory, may water closet, shower natin sa loob. Kasama ng mga shampoo, conditioners, body wash. Hot water, meron na rin siyang ano. May 4 na mga towel. Yan. Na?
Tama, o meron na.
Swimming ka na? Doon? Swimming ka? Oh, gusto na mag-swimming. Swimming! May swimming na si Mingling. Ano tayo?
Papa, mamaya din tayo sa beach.
Tingnan natin. Swimming na si Mingling. Yan! Nanay! Yo guys, yung mga sir. Dito kami sa Ayan yan. Mag-stay kami rito ng 2 days and 1 night for celebration ng birthday ni Ate Alexa, you know. And yung anniversary na rin namin. Policy dito, sa swimming pool, pwede ka mag-swimming hanggang alas 10 ng gabi. And doon sa beach, hanggang alas 6 lang ng gabi. So, pwede ka mag-swimming ng 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pero kailangan i-advise mo raw si resort na pupunta ka ng beach para masamahan ka ng lifeguard. Kain tayo guys.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back what we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Ano ate? Kain na tayo. Kailangan na din. Kain. Ano? Wow. Iyayo, chup chup. Iyayo, chup.
Dalawa na sila.
Yung cake ni ate, is, yan, design niya ng bagong design ng red ring. Ganyan, ganda diba? Para may step siya.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday,
Tulog pa.
Hala. Good morning.
May ka? Ayun, good morning guys. Today, last day namin dito sa ayun yan, Kalatagan Resort. So, today alas 6 na ng umaga. Mag-breakfast muna kami din. Alauna yung check out namin. So, kunting pahinga din, swimming na ulit. And yun, sige, enjoy namin ang araw at birthday ni ate. And anniversary namin ni Mama Tintin. Let's go! Ate, appear! Appear!
Ayaw pa rin eh, kahit pa.
Appear! Appear!
Apir.
Wow! Wow!
Rolling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem better than me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. After all this time, this is it for us. After all this time, this is it for us. Oh, I really
Okay lang yun. Hiramin mo isa. Laro na laro. Hindi. Sa'yo. Kasi sa'yo yun. Tingnan mo.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that